How are you feeling right now? If you watch this video to the end, you will experience gratitude, appreciation, and an elevated mood. Thank you for watching this video. I understand that you want to begin your meditation, so I will keep this brief. If you're new to our channel, welcome. My name is Mike Vini and I'm with the Relax and Be Emotionally Well app team. We regularly share brand new videos and I invite you to subscribe so you don't miss this opportunity. The Relax and Be Emotionally Well app delivers guided meditations with a unique proprietary formula so that each one is inclusive, trauma sensitive, and uses transformational language to give you instant stress relief and deep relaxation. We invite you to download it on the App Store or Google Play Store. There's a link in the description. Now, it's time to meditate.
This video contains movement that may cause discomfort for some viewers, such as individuals with vestibular disorders. If desired, you may listen to the meditation instead, or view the transcript. Welcome to this meditation to increase feelings of gratitude, love, and abundance. Please do not participate in this activity if you are in a situation that requires you to be alert and responsive, such as driving a motor vehicle or operating heavy machinery. I invite you to gently close your eyes right now and slowly bring your awareness into your body. Make sure that you are in a comfortable position for your meditation. If there is anything that you can do to make your body even more comfortable, perhaps taking a cushion to support yourself or moving yourself into a more comfortable position, make those adjustments now so that you'll be able to relax into your meditation without feeling any physical distractions. Now take a long, slow, deep breath in. Feel your belly expanding as your lungs fill with air, and feel your belly relaxing as you breathe out. Take several more deep breaths. As you breathe, feel yourself coming into the here and now. Scan your awareness over your body and notice if there are any places that feel tight or uncomfortable. If you find somewhere, take a breath in and breathe wellness into that part of your body. As you breathe out, feel the breath carrying the tension away from that place. Take several more breaths like this. Breathe wellness into any areas of tension or discomfort, and breathe the tension out of that place with each exhalation. Now become aware of any emotions that you are feeling. Without analysing, judging, or getting too involved in them, just acknowledge any emotions that are there. If you notice any difficult emotions, worry, fear, anger, jealousy, or judgment, send your breath into those emotions as you inhale. and feel those emotions floating away with each exhalation. With your body and mind more clear and open, we're going to spend some time focusing on the things that you feel grateful for. When we feel gratitude, we open ourselves to feel more love and abundance. We become more present and more aware of the beauty of life. What do you feel grateful for? Allow something that you feel grateful for to naturally arise in your mind. Anything at all. The people in your life, your health, experiences or events, food, a pet, a hobby. Feel your heart becoming filled with gratitude as you focus on the thing that you are grateful for. Welcome the feelings of love and peace that arise with the feeling of gratitude. Keeping your awareness on the thing that you are grateful for. With each breath, as you exhale, quietly say in your mind, "Thank you." Thank you. What else do you feel grateful for? Allow something else to arise in your mind. Your favorite taste or smell, your favorite music, someone you love, a job, the warm sunshine. Welcome the feelings of love and peace in your heart. Keeping your awareness on this thing that you feel grateful for, with each exhalation, quietly say, "Thank you." Thank you. Is there anything else that you feel grateful for? The beauty of nature, the miracle of being alive. Welcome it into your heart. With every exhalation, quietly say, "Thank you." Thank you. And before you finish your meditation, take a minute now to welcome the feelings of gratitude, peace, and love that you have cultivated. Bathe in the feelings of peace, love, and gratitude. Welcome the feelings into every cell of your body. And now, slowly prepare to end your meditation. Become aware of the feeling of your body on the surface beneath you, and start to make some small movements to awaken your body. Give yourself a long stretch if that feels good for you. And when you are ready, open your eyes. This concludes your meditation session. My name is Tobias Stone, with the team at Mike Vini Inc. Thank you for taking care of you.
For more information about the Relax and Be Emotionally Well app, please visit www.myrelax.app. Again, that's www.myrelax.app. We invite you to download it on the App Store or Google Play Store. There is a link in the description. If you liked this video, please click that like button. Be sure to subscribe and share it with anyone who may find it useful. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.